Look at the question number 19. A tower and building are standing vertically on the same level ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 meter. If the tower is 50 meter height. So AB is the tower which is 50 meter height. Find the height of the building. So building is CD. So here first ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABD ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ BCD ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CD ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, BD ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಕೇವಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ABD ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, AB ಲೆಂತ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ BD ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABD. Okay, so ABD is tan 60 degree is equal to AB divided by BD. So tan 60 degree is √3 is equal to AB is 50 meter divided by BD. So BD is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 50 √3 divided by √3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 1. So now consider the triangle BDC. So in a triangle BDC, tan 30 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ DC divided by BD ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan 30 degree is 1 by √3 is equal to here DC. So we don't know the length DC divided by BD. So BD is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ √3 DC. Take this as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, so here BD is √3 DC is equal to, here BD is in equation 1, BD is 50 by √3. 50 by √3. So DC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 50 divided by √3 into √3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 50 divided by 3. Okay. So this is the height of the building DC. So height of the building DC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 50 divided by √3 meter, or this is equal to 16.67 meter.